Replacing Miele G858scvi. Need dimensions for replacement.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. The dimensions for this dishwasher are 24 inches wide, 24 inches depth, and 35 5/8 inches tall. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.